He's here in Livingston, where I grew up.
And it was Victoria's Secret.
I'm wearing a sticky one.
Lucky. Oh my gosh, I'm inverting. Okay. What's up, vlog? We're here at Alexia's wedding where she is not. Yep. She a whole hour late. Okay.
Any thoughts?
So how are y'all getting home? Because Tyler can't drive and then you can make it where you're going to be able to if I keep sweating. Okay. You have still in your spot.
Oh, that's fine.
Quit doing that shit.
They're about to get married. It's about to become official.
Well, I guess I want to thank everybody for finally showing up.
It's okay.
Okay. No, but all seriousness, I just want to glad everybody's showing up for Lacey and Jose. And we're just going to try to do this thing because I ain't never done this before. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Who's going to give this young lady away? I do. All right, so y'all already had an agreement and everything. So, sure you want to do it? You Bob. Now it's time to walk away. Baby girl.
You're married. The end.
That was like the shortest wedding in the. Aww.
Come here. You take pictures.
Take a picture. Take a picture right here.
Take picture.
Okay. Hey, y'all both come here.
Yeah, look.
Laying down.
She's not even white. Oh, it's Pocahontas.
Yeah.
You get it?
Okay, you get this one. Yes, you get the brown one. It's actually exactly. Oh, fuck. You better get her, Jose.
Look, we gotta blend this back in, okay?
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured.
You should get these. Oh my god, I forgot you're wearing jeans. Yeah. Oh, look, Modelo. Modelo.
$8, $9.
On to the wedding.
And go.
Damn, slow ass bitches. Come on.